Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my people. One day, I greet the house from Untouchable Mama. My brothers and sisters, so I get one video, This video where I see, I don't know, why I be say, as I see the video, I don't even put am for my page because I know if you put that kind of video for my page. This man, as I take talk, something they happen, or some men they suffer, This man, if you see the beating when they beat this man, they cut his hand. If you see his hand, as they cut am, the flesh when they even they fall. Wetin happen? As they talk for the video, this man wey they beat so, because of girlfriend, another person girlfriend, let me then they beat this man. You see the beating. If you see am, my brothers and sisters, I know if you put the video for my page. I know if you put am. The boyfriend of that girl, the video am, then they beat the man. They cut am. If you see the cutting where they cut in hand, I say the flesh of the hand, they even the fall now. Maybe una see am or una see am. They fall. Why be say, if man see a girlfriend with another man, then go beat the man. Why? When I no verse una question me and they answer because as I see you they beat the man. Wait, okay, you want beat the man, say the girl na your girlfriend. The girl no saying get boyfriend before I go follow another man. The girl no say in get you before I go follow another man. Because sometimes if I dey see some video, me or they ask myself question. See the beating where the man receive. I know say make them beat the girl because normally you don't need to beat anybody. You no need, even though say na your wife. I go to see some video. I know say many people not go like this thing where they talk so, but person where he really get sense, where he head correct, you go know say you don't need to beat anybody. You don't need, even though say you see your wife, see another man, you don't need to beat her. You no need to beat her. What you go just do? Now make that divorce they exist. Just carry divorce paper, go give her. You know they do again. Do your own, make I do my own. It better pass say you go they beat the man. You can't sleep with my wife. Your wife no saying gay husband before I go open a leg. Mona no verse so as me I tell you and me and they talk so. You that man when you say you get girlfriend, your girlfriend no saying get you before I go open leg for another person. I will see some video. I go they say wetin be all these things. You dey beat the man say go sleep with your wife. Your wife will go sleep with another man. That one no saying get you before carry body go meet another man will not be husband. The thing they tire me. If you see the beating where they beat this man, if you see the beating, I not see the girl not dead there. The man they ask and say, you no say na girlfriend. The man they reply say, he no tell me say he get boyfriend. What it be all this? I beg. What it be all this? You no need to beat anybody because if it still happen to you tomorrow, you will they beat that man. As I know they look around and say, if this thing can still happen to you tomorrow, girl, maybe you toast girl, he not tell you say get boyfriend, or maybe even tell you say get. Okay, you can't go with her. The boy can't meet you for now. The beating where you beat that man, they go still beat you. They go still beat you. Mona no verse so as me I see her, woman wey no say get husband for house. You know say another man wey you want go meet not be your husband. You go open your body for another man wey not pay your dowry, wey not even put ring for your hand. Wait till you be. Wait till you be. For me, not to be the woman or to be the man. I know say e dey pain to see your wife with another man. But no need to beat anybody. Now your wife, na e no value you. Now so me I dey talk my own, because if you value what you get, you no let anybody touch your body, because that's your body now only for your husband. Now so me I dey talk my own. If you not like, who listen to her go say, abeg madam, what you dey talk, so me I dey talk am. My body belong to my husband, or no other man. If we not dey again, that one a different case. As far as say me with am dey, nobody. And so me I dey talk my own. Some people they know they use their brain. You wey be man where they beat another man. Say because your wife go, the man go sleep with your wife. Why your wife go open your body, your whole thing, go give another man? You know they ask yourself. Beating no say me that one. Beating no go say me resolve the issue. You know the resolver. Find solution. Now solution now you go find. How many you go fit beat? Maybe your wife now come up for there, go do another thing again. You go still go beat that one. The day when you go beat another one, you go give am for where you're not supposed to give am. If faint for ground, maybe now so it end. You just know say now so your own go still end. Why the beating? Me I see the talk. Why the beating? Something happen. You talk with the woman. If you no want to stay again because of say what you do, you are right. May carry body they go. See they carry body they give everybody where you see. Then where you go they beat another man, they go disgrace, they go pull everything where the man wear, put on for camera, say see if they sleep with another man wife. What of your wife will go sleep for there? You know no say he marry. As he be for man, so he be for woman. As he be for man, so he be for woman. No need to beat anybody. You don't have rights to even say you want beat person. But you know say our country now. Okay. If person even if sweet itself, you fair give before police go come, you go give her a blow for her, you go start to the beat her. Why you go beat her? Because when they do and say, may I fair do one, you go just see some people because of say person it if waiting not reach anything. If you see waiting the beating where they go beat her, they will even put waiting that they call a tire for your head. They'll say they want put kerosene, put fire. You don't need to beat her. You hand over her to the police. If you see what they do this man, my brothers and sisters, maybe I'll take the picture or I'll put her for here. But I don't put the video. The video they want kind. I don't even put her for my page because I just see now this thing now knife they hold there. If you see her, no. My brothers and sisters, I they ask myself all the time. If I see all this kind of video, you dey beat another man, you say sleep with your wife, you not come ask yourself, say, this woman will go sleep with another man. What is wrong with you? Wetin happen? Wetin I not give you? Wetin make you go dey look outside? You just dey beat the man. You don't need to beat the man. You don't need to beat the woman. You don't need to beat anybody. You need to talk with your wife. Wetin happen? Because now your wife now carry body go. Now your wife go open leg for another man wey no be husband. For this thing, I dey blame many women. I dey blame many women, especially those one wey know say he marry. For boyfriend and girlfriend, I know the too much that one are just we are friends. You understand? Because normally I know say from friendship na to lead to husband and wife. But as far as una never marry, the friendship fit finish at any time. You don't need to beat anybody because of say your girlfriend. Now your girlfriend. But for those one wey don't marry, where the doctor say, yes, I do. I beg my sister, man will not be your own man. You go the open leg for her. Now you I blame. Anything happen to that man where they beat, where they do anyhow, now your head now day. Because now you cause all this problem. And I hate women wey dey flirt more than no vessel. I no dey like am. If you say yes I do, maybe yes I do. If you don comot for there say no I no do again, you are free to do anything you like. But once you say yes I do, maybe yes I do. Respect that man. Respect am. Respect am as far as una dey together. Some women, God abeg, some women, I no know wetin dey do them. I no know wetin dey do them. You say you dey for husband house, you dey flirt. Na then, na im dey cause all these things. I know say for man to see wife with another person, the thing dey pain am. Of course, e dey pain. But na your woman, na no respect you. Na so me I see am. I no know as another person see am. Because if you respect your husband, you no go allow person even to touch you sef. The thing go dey get as e go dey irritate you. If you love your man even greet you, e tell you kind of words wey you no like. You don vex be that one. You don dey vex because of the love wey you get for the man. But now if love no dey there again, if man start to dey talk to you wey be married woman, you start to dey laugh. Wah. The laugh wey you go dey laugh sef. They go dey hear am for the other side. You be married woman. Or say na donata we. Ohu no mo do. Ohu no mo de. No mo do. Omo gie no go biave gie. Na. E get the kind laugh wey dey follow another man laugh. So my brothers and sisters, some women, and then they cause all these things because no man on this earth where dey peace put, may another man go dey peace for them. E no dey. E must provoke am, but no need to beat anybody. You no even get right. Say you want beat the person. So go beat am so tey you see say the person no fit dey breathe again. Brother, no dey do that one. No dey do am. How many you fit beat? Maybe because you say you go beat another one. The day where you go beat one, you send am to the place. Send am to grave because of woman. Now you na go face everything. The woman go free. Go come free. Go dey do wetin like dey go. Why? Because of woman. Not because of anybody. You see say your woman, na that kind woman wey dey flirt, abeg package am for one corner. Because really, if e dey respect you, e no go allow. If man even talk to am for outside, if e reach house, e go tell you say, darling, see wetin happen so today. And if you see as I take reply the person, you know that kind of thing. I know say some women, anyway, my brothers and sisters, I just still see this one now say, waiting, woman, your girlfriend, you never even marry herself with a big man like this. Even though say na 20 years when I don't date together, the woman, like say the woman respects you, no go meet another man. You no need to beat her. As they beat her now, do everything now. That man, now if you go arrest her, another problem don't come. You can't spend money for them because of woman. Why? Even though say you don't marry and do something like that, the best thing, tell her say, me and you, we don't close. Chat have close. I don't need that kind of woman. I need woman where you go no say, that thing now let me get her, not before another man. So my brothers and sisters, just say me, I just give this short message. As I see the thing just dey pain me now. Say, not be the first time where they see some video like this where they carry. Hey, I see my wife with another man. They beat the man. They do this one. You don't need to do that. When you don't go enter one chance one day, go beat person where you're not supposed to beat. You remove hair for your nose. You can't enter one chance because of say your wife go sleep for there. Now your wife, now you're supposed to answer question. Now you're supposed to ask, why all this? They will now sit down, talk. This thing where you do, I not fit forgive you. Carry your things, make they go. Or these things where you know say some men they forgive. This thing where you do, I go forgive you for now. If it happen again, I know they forgive. Depends on person. Some people dey, even though say na only kiss, na you kiss man, e no go forgive you. E don close, e don finish for them. When some go dey, go say I forgive you, I will close eye say nothing happen. Depends of how you be, depends of your character. Why you go dey beat another man? If it still happen to you tomorrow, because now make we dey talk say mind the remain in la vita. Never you say never in life. Something fit happen. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one from Untouchable Mama. I greet the house. Please do not forget to subscribe, share with your friend, put like, leave your comments if you like. Please, no insult on my audio. I know they like am. If you want to put your comment, put am in a mature way. No insult. So bye bye, my brothers and sisters. Ciao.